If you want to use text message effects on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, it is pretty simple. While creating a message, if it is an iMessage, of course, then in that case you should be able to find this icon on the keyboard, this A letter with 3 lines. And this option is only available if we are trying to text through iMessage, or in other words, if the person that we are texting to has iPhone, for example, as well. If we are trying to contact other devices, then most likely you won't be able to find these effects. So first let's write the content of our message, and then we can tap on this button in order to find all of these effects over here. So if you want to, you can use them over here. Just tap on them, select whichever effect you want to use. And of course, the effect doesn't have to be applied to the whole text. As you can see, only the selected part is highlighted. We can also double tap on the text in order to go to text effects, and we can use multiple different effects at once in one message, I believe. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.